Here is how to make a trap beat on FL Studio Mobile latest version. First, click on the Apple icon, and then click on New. Here you will find different template for different genre of songs, but since our focus is trap beat, let's click on Trap. Now, you have an empty template with trap drum samples. Let's start with the drum pattern arrangement. Trap tempos are usually around 130 to 150 BPM. For this tutorial, I will be using a tempo of 140 BPM. That's for the kick and snare. Now for the hi-hats, just tap on it and click on Fill each 2 steps. Let's add some hi-hat roll here, and here. And to do that, just drag this white button up, click on Repeat, and then tap on the sounds you want to repeat. Once you are done, just click on Velocity and then drag the white button down. Next is your open hats, clap, and percussion. This is what it sounds like. Now, add your 808. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Famous Nelson. Please don't forget to subscribe. Next is our chord progression. If you watch this video to this point, make sure you like and share this video. Your likes, comment, and shares encourages us to do more tutorials for you guys. You can swing your drums to make it sound even more professional. You can add more sounds like melodies and lead, but always keep your beat easy and simple.